Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find the end of tape every single time. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Now I have a roll of tape right here and I'm going to put this end down. Now generally speaking, finding the end of the roll of tape on a roll of tape like this is pretty easy because you can kind of see it. It's pretty easy to do. But when it comes to other tapes like Scotch tape or packing tape, like anything that's clear or anything that's just harder to see, it definitely gets a lot harder. So I'm going to show you a simple trick of what you can do to find the end of tape every single time. Okay, so basically you're going to be using tape, no problem. Okay, so let's say I'm using the tape. Okay, no problem. So I'm using the tape, I rip a piece off, I go and I use it. I'm just going to crumple it up. I go and I use it. Okay, when I'm done using the tape, here's what you do. You take the end of the tape and you fold just a little bit. It can be the tiniest bit over. So you can look at this. Just the tiniest bit over. And then you can put it down. Check that out. Now what it does is it makes sure that that little bit at the end doesn't stick. So what that means is that when you're going to get the tape and you're trying to find the end, where's the end? Where's the end? Look at that right there. This part doesn't stick. No matter how hard I press, it doesn't stick because I cleared the adhesive by folding it over onto itself. That means now what I can do is I can come and you just have to get rid of this edge piece. So right now, let's say I'm using the tape again. I just have to get rid of this edge piece because obviously it doesn't stick anymore. So I don't have to use that piece right there. Get rid of that edge piece. And now I have the end of the tape and it's fresh and it's ready to be used. Now, when you're using it, like let's say I'm using it. So I'm going and I'm using it. Okay. So I'm using a piece over here. Okay. And then I'm using it again, no problem. When you're using it over and over for the same session, you don't have to do it at every single rip because you're gonna leave it up for the whole time you're using it, right? You use another piece, no problem. You can keep using it. That edge piece is gonna stay up. You're gonna leave it up, okay? But when you're done is when we usually take the tape and fold it over. So instead of just pushing it down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end and I'm going to fold it over just a touch. It can be any amount. Just a touch. Just like that. Look, just a touch. And guess what? Now when I go to use the tape the next time, I know exactly where the end is. That is how to find the end of a roll of tape every single time. It's so easy. And that's it. That's all I got to say. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. And that's truly all I have to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.